event, a state visit from President Macron, photo opportunity. They should be holding hands. So what does Trump do? He goes into negotiation mode, but it's not spoken. So he extends that little pinky as if to say, hey, what do you think? Now she feels some tension, right? So she kind of like shuffles to the side. She's not trying to get away from Trump.
Okay.
Right. What she's doing is she's just releasing some tension. But Trump is intuitive here. He senses that and he mirrors that shuffle to the other direction. But he's also pretty smooth, so he uses that movement to get in a few other fingers in the grasp, little quick squeezes as if to say, well, look, we're almost there anyway. Why don't we go ahead and hold hands? She agrees, does it, and then he does the nod and a very obvious thank you. That's a deal. Deal's done. But
the deal maker.
Yeah.
But only for a moment.
I would hate for somebody to analyze my body language, so I can only imagine what that is.